Okay, so you see this? This is what we're going in today.
What's going to do?
We're gonna go fly over New York City.
Okay.
There's no doors.
Oh, hell.
You ready?
We gonna wild out.
Yo, Demore, have you got ID?
Ah, shit. Nah, I don't.
Oh.
Can you just make an exception? Can you make an exception?
I just have to take a picture of you.
Yeah. Perfect. Take a picture of it. Just gonna take a picture of you in case.
Oh, we want a president.
In case you try and hijack the.
What time's the flight?
1 o'clock. Yes. Okay. Right, Lamar. He is the co-pilot.
You can go in the
He's
back
gonna be
with
sat.
them as soon as they leave for the helicopter.
He's going to be sat in the front, so you're not allowed to touch the controls or anything. Yeah?
I know. He knows it. I know. Wait, so I know to be Lamar now. So we're calling him Lamar.
We thought it was called Demal, but his name's Lamar.
I thought his name was Lamar.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Hey, we are all strapped up. We are ready. You hyped? You excited? You scared?
He's not scared.
He's got nothing to say.
He's not scared.
He's not scared?
He's probably confused.
Yeah, he's like, what the hell?
You just met him, and now he's going on a helicopter. When we get out there, when we skydive.
Have you they gave you the parachute yet? You got the parachute?
Did they give you the parachute yet?
Are you going to jump out? You going to jump? Yeah, you good. You got a little quiet, bro.
Yeah, you think
He's got a little quiet.
A little bit at all.
I think he's a bit nervous.
No.
I think he doesn't want to show it.
Let's see. Look at the chopper right here.
We're here, baby.
Let's go.
Get to the chopper.
Yeah. Which one are we going in?
One with no doors on, brother.
Right, baby.
Yo, I think he's scared, bro. I think he's scared. He's been talking the big game all day. Oh, sorry. You're going to be good, man. You're going to be all right, brother. Stop, you're making me feel bad now, brother. You want... Yeah, you got the best seat, bro. You're sat in the front, mate. You're the co-pilot. Captain Lamar.
So that means if the pilot somehow knocks out, you don't have to fly the helicopter.
Yeah, you good? You good with that? Have you ever flown a helicopter before? Oh, man. Oh, he's nervous, man. Bless him. Yo, you the pilot?
Yep.
Oh, nice to meet you, bro. Brady.
Nice to meet you.
Darren, nice to meet you, bro. I think the co-pilot's a little bit nervous, so
That's all good.
we need to fully rely on you.
I'm nervous too.
It's not your first day, is it?
It is actually.
Okay, man, you're gonna be okay. Let's go! Oh, he's so scared! He's so scared! Oh, he's slacking! Oh, bless him! I mean, it's a scary thing! He's not said a word in like 30 minutes.
Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Darren. I'm your pilot. Majority of a flight will be over water, so if you unlikely event of an emergency, best bet. You guys watch the safety briefing back on the
Yeah.
Yes. Awesome. So it's fine. Just talk on it and it's
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
I'm gonna enjoy it.
You're gonna love it, bro. Just don't jump.
I'm scared too.
I bet you didn't think you were going to go on a helicopter this morning when you woke up, did you? Yo, he's never...
This dude was scary as hell. I was high.
Right, so obviously, Lamar's going to be in the front, I'm going to be in the back, so I'm going to try my best to get some footage of him.
Yeah, it's going crazy though.
Well, it's going to be crazy.
Hell yeah.
You good at that, Lamar? You good?
Good?
He's not good. This is going to be absolutely crazy, bro. When we're in the air, are you going to be able to do like flips and stuff? Or some tricks. We'll get a little bit choppy. You ready, pal? What did he say? He's gonna jump out?
No, jump out.
Good him up! Oh, we're off, baby! Well, there's the Statue of Liberty! Where's New York, Manhattan? That's a scared little bitch. It's unimaginably cold. My hands are freezing, my face is burning. Wow, what an experience! So cold! Come on, come on! Come on! Come on! Oh my god, this is so scary! Put your legs up! Oh my god, oh my god! Oh, we're coming into London, baby!
Oh, yo. I'm f***ing freezing, pal. Jesus.
How was it, Lamar?
Hey, you
You got a little bit less nervous after we took off, yeah?
oh, man, do this here.
Thanks, brother. Woo!
You guys kind of just wait in the area, and I'll take a.
Thank you, fellas.
Oh, my blessings, bro. My pleasure.
That is the man.
I'm so
Oh, like that. Oh, shit. What, look at his hand. Do that
My man! This video is actually sponsored by PackDraw, where I'm about to give away $5,000 to the people of New York. Lamar is going to be the first spin, but I'm also going to give away $5,000 to you guys. So if you head over to PackDraw and use code Brady Free 5, all in capital letters, you can claim $5 for free and start spinning and playing all by yourself. That's free. 5,000 for you guys. Also, any money that you deposit, if you use code Brady when you deposit in, you'll get an additional 5%. So if you deposit 100, you'll get another 5. I'm doing it all, baby. We're giving back. We're giving back to you. We're giving back to the people of New York. And we're about to give back to Lamar. We've got another surprise for you, brother. Do you like to gamble?
Hell yeah! No, I'm gonna win again.
Okay. All you have to do.
Jackpot.
All you have to do is press this green button just once, and whatever the prize is, that's what you're gonna win. So just press that green button. And you, sir, have won yourself.
What is it?
Oh, $30. $30.
That's good.
That's good.
Okay.
You can spin it again.
All right,
spin it again. We're making sure he wins a big prize here. Okay, so on top of your $30, you've also won $2,476. Open the boot.
Oh my God.
Open the boot.
Yo.
Open the boot.
Open the. Yo.
Open the boot. We ain't playing, dog. We're not playing, dog. We ain't playing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
$1,000.
Let's see. Hold on.
$2,500.
Yes.
For you.
That's you, brother.
That's all you, my guy.
Yes. Yes.
We getting lit tonight.
Yes.
For what?
Yes.
Yes.
We gonna party.
Hold on.
Party all night long. All night long. Wait. Let me see how much you got.
Where's my phone?
Yeah. How much is that? 2,000. 2,000. Okay. What else? 2,500, baby. Woo!
That's all real, baby.
Yeah. That's all yours, baby.
Come here.
All yours, man.
Thank you, brother. Bro, right, with this, you're going to get yourself somewhere to stay. You're going to get yourself off the streets.
I need some.
No, you're not. You're not going to waste that. You're going to get yourself off the streets, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Firstborn, man.
Oh, bro, my
Thank you,
pleasure. Right, let's go get some food, and we're going to give out the rest of the money to people in New York. Remember, you can get yourself $5 free with code Brady Free 5. That's Brady Free 5, and also you'll get an additional 5% on your deposit with code Brady. Okay, so Lamar, you're going to pick the next person that we're going to give the money to.
Okay.
So who do you pick? Who do you pick?
Now, fat. You know how I did. Oh, lady.
Hello, excuse me. All I need you to do. All I need you to do.
From here.
That's-
Save it for
You
somebody from here.
All
Okay,
right.
thank you, darling. Appreciate you. What's your name?
Nora Reyes.
Nora.
I know speak
Yo,
Press-
man,
just
she's
press
on.
that green button.
Press it.
Just press that green button.
Trust me.
Press it.
for what?
Because you're going to win a prize.
You're gonna win something.
Press
Right.
it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, wait. Hold up. It's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. And you have just won $120, baby.
120.
$120.
Yeah.
That's 100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's for me.
That's for you. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
All right, have a good one.
$120 for you, baby.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, darling.
Happy New Year. Have a good one.
Remember, you can get yourself $5 free by going onto Packdraw and using code BradyFree5. There's only 1,000 spaces, so once that's all been claimed, it's all gone.
Brady.
Yes, we have got. What's your name, bro?
What's good? I'm Casey.
Casey. Are you feeling lucky today, Casey?
A little bit.
Okay. All I need you to do is spin the wheel on Packdraw, and whatever the prize is, you're going to win today, my friend. Just press that green button. And he has just won himself $350, baby! Yeah. Serious, bro.
Oh shit. Yo, no way.
See that? You see that? That's all you, baby. That's all you, baby.
Yeah, bro.
Yay!
Brother, appreciate
Welcome
it.
to Hoboken. Excuse me, my
How you doing?
contestants. Do you want the chance today to win some free money? So free money? No. It's for money. It's for free. It's free money. No? Okay. Our next contestant. What is your name, darling?
Celestia, why?
Celestia. Why? All I need you to do is press that green button.
Why?
And whatever the prize
Press
is,
it.
I'm going to give you in cash.
Press it.
So I've linked up with a company called Packdraw, and we are giving away free money today. And you have just won yourself $175.
There we go.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, damn right. 175. 1, 2, 3, 17. We'll call it 18. $180, mama.
God
That's
bless
all for you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Ah, lovely.
It is my lucky day, I
There you
guess.
go. You could have said
love.
that. Take it easy. Have a great day, darling.
That's awesome, man.
You want to join in?
You want to join in?
Spin?
What's up,
How you
man?
doing? What's your name, brother? All I need you to do is spin this wheel, and whatever the prize gets, I'm going to give you today in cash.
Oh, man.
Cash. No,
That's what it is.
Press that green button, bro.
Come on,
Come
man.
on.
Yeah, press that green button.
That's it.
Okay, and look what you have just won. You've won a gaming chair with the value of $180, baby! I'm serious, bro.
Come on, man. Look at this, man. Give me that guy right there,
Give it
man.
to him.
One, two, three, four,
Yeah, you can be on camera.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. There you go, big man.
There you go. Pound, man. So how do we follow you, man?
Yeah, Mashtag Brady on YouTube. Okay, this time, quick fire. Excuse me, brother. Press this button right now. Press that shit. I'm gonna press it for you.
Press it.
What's your name? I'll press it. What's your name, brother? What's your name?
Yo, sorry, no English.
No English? Oh, well, you only want $30 anyway.
Give him 30.
Oh,
There you
yeah,
go, brother.
thank
Have a great
you,
day.
bro.
Hey, pal. What's your name, buddy? Press that green button.
Hit me in it.
No, it's cool. You, sir, just won yourself
Nothing.
$1,000. I'm not even playing. I'm not playing.
You just won $1,000, pal. How do you
Are you
feel?
serious?
Yeah, so yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. The 1,000.
That's it.
Just give it to him. Just give it to him.
There you go, pal.
Thank you.
That's all you.
There you go.
Yeah, huh?
What's going on?
It's your lucky day. That's what's going on, brother. Any last words?
No, amazed.
Right, we're final person. We've got $500 left to give, and we're going to come into Starbucks, and this guy's about to win. Are you feeling lucky? All you have to do is press that green button. Trust me, brother. Do you want to press this green button? Press this green button. It's going to be your lucky day.
Right here. You.
Brother, press that green button, brother.
Trust me.
Brother, press the button. No, good.
Press it.
Press the green button. Press it. Yes. What did you get? What? You owe me $500. I'm joking. You just won yourself $165, baby. It's your lucky day. We're giving that cash. That's all you got, brother. Brother, press the green button. Press the green button. Hold the camera. You, sir, just won yourself $165. There you go, brother. Look at that. This is God's green cash, and that is all yours.
Take it.
Yes.
Take it.
No, not really. No. Yeah. You have a great day, brother. God bless. God bless you. Remember, use code Brady for an additional 5% when you deposit on Packdraw. Brother, it's your lucky day today. All I need you to do is press this one button, and if it lands on the right one, you're going to win all this cash.
She's the lady luck.
Press the lucky green button. And you have just won yourself the money. You've won the money. There you go. All of that. That's
All
for
the
you.
money. There you go.
For real?
Happy birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Have a good one. Yes.
You deserve it. I'm glad.
Yes.
I'm so glad to hear
Yes.
it.
No one deserves more than this beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Love it.
There you go.
Yes.
Have a great day.
Have a good one, brother. Yes.
God bless.
Have a good one.
Right. Lamar, have you had a good day?
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did, baby. I would love to be able to just follow him for the rest of the day and see what he does with the money. We're going to go drop off Lamar. We're going to get back in the Whiz app, and we're going to go and do a podcast. So, I